Ryan, congrats on marrying the best person in the world. I love you, and your wife is so hot. Okay, bye. Oh, wow, I'm gonna start crying immediately. I don't think I can do this. This is your mom, and this is probably what a lot of your life is gonna sound like at the beginning. You're so loved already, and there are so many people here today who are so excited for your arrival. I can't wait for you to be here. I can't wait to see what you look like and see what it's like to have you in our lives. And I am looking at your dad right now, and I can't wait to see you guys together. I think I'm more excited for that than anything else, is to watch how much of a daddy's girl you're gonna be, because he's the best. My family put in so much work today at this baby shower, and I'm so grateful. And I can't wait to tell you about it one day. I love you so much. Okay, bye.